If you hold a sneeze, what happens to your body? When you hold a sneeze, the pressure doesn't go away. It blasts inward. Air forces back into your head, making ears pop, sinuses throb, and a sharp shock ripple behind your eyes. Pressure stacks, your throat tightens, blood vessels strain, and your head feels heavy. Ears ring, neck locks, dizziness hits, and delicate internal spaces take the blow. At the extreme, vision blurs, balance collapses, breathing falters. A harmless reflex becomes dangerous because your body was never meant to hold a sneeze in. So let your sneeze out and feel instant relief.